I think the reasons for investing in Asia today are very much the same as they were 5 years ago, 10 years ago, 20, 30 years ago. Asia is a huge part of the world. It's a part of the world that is growing faster than most of the rest of the world. And most importantly, it's home to some really good companies that are getting steadily better as each year goes by. So very clear reasons. People in Asia work hard, are getting richer. We're seeing an expanding middle class. Still issues, of course, with poverty in various countries, but over the period, we've seen the position improve dramatically, and we can clearly see a path why it should continue to improve. So Asia offers superior long-term economic growth, and with some great companies located in Asia, you can make some very sensible long-term investment decisions. We have a broad range of capabilities in Asia for investment trusts. We have investment trusts covering Asia as a whole, investment trusts covering smaller companies, investment trusts focused on yield and income returns, as well as a variety of single country funds. Looking ahead for the balance of the year, we suspect it's going to be very much a repeat of last year. So below trend economic growth, which is not surprising given how Asia is part of the global economy, and the global economy is not having a great time either. So Asian growth is 1% or 2% off its traditional levels of 5, 6, 7% growth that we've seen in the really good times. So it's not the dramatic growth story of yesteryear, but I think when you look at it as an investor, you're able to find world-class companies and companies that have just steadily got better year after year, strongly financed, valuations that are reasonable valuations, 12, 13 times earnings, a bit of a dividend yield, and short-term prospects of growth, but not stellar growth. So we're talking 7, 8% earnings per share growth this year, possibly going into 2015 as well. But then if the economies worldwide pick up, can you see it back to 10, 15% growth? Yes, you can. And for us, that looks decent value at these levels.